Are Mukronata. Are Manjli. Rhizophora. I know. RARS I know. Soneraceae. This one also I know. It's also beautiful there.
Where?
Alba, Sun, Esoata. Then Apitala. Casiolaris. Alba.
Yeah.
Oh. Caryopis. Gymnorrhiza. Henseli. Come, let's go inside. Some booch madda thanga.
अरे 100 रुपए के निकल गए छोटे थे कौन सा
Shravati Kandla Nadige. If you guys haven't seen, what is Kandla? This is Kandla. That's it. See, if you want to see what you will find. Candela. So Candelia candle, sorry. Candela. Kandla beach ಮೊಳಕೆ ಯಡಿಯುವ ಹಂತಗಳು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೆಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾರ್ರೆ ಅವನೇ ಸೇ ಅಫಿನಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಿಮಟ ಫಾರ್ all these things are not needed. See, these guys come, even they throw their water bottle there. Bro, have some decency to not throw things, okay?
Sorry, what?
So if you guys haven't seen the trees and all, you can come here and see. Make your eyes tampu, bro. Okay. I don't know what they'll call it in English. Hey. So you can see the roots there. Okay. That is coming out of the water bed. Okay. What happens is now it's what you call. It's not a bharti. The water hasn't come still. So when the water comes, all the things will be filled. Okay. Cool. हाँ आता है वही बोला ना मैंने. When there will be bharti, the water comes, it will fill the thing properly. I see. I hope you guys can see the water bed there. See the halat of that board. These guys can't make this properly, bro. They'll take money, 20 rupees. They'll not even maintain this properly.
There is water, but the water has not came.
मार्या हो ना अरे बनी उन कितने मारे तो कसल बुकुड़ मारे तो भर दे झोली मेरी.
Just enough for one boat to go through.
Okay. Yeah. Soneraceae Casolaris. See, the bharti has started. The water is coming up front. Going police. Not big. Muslim है कित लोग था तो अच्छा
कल भी देखता आराम से
कहाँ है देख रे. We'll go to that one, what you call, afterwards. Not afterwards, tomorrow or somewhere. Go to Ramtirth. We will have. You can see the boating spot also there. If you haven't seen what is under the bridge. Wait, what is it? Hey, ukde. अरे भर दे झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद आणि झोली
आता बाजूला पडलं तरी झाड आहे ना इथे
हाँ सा नीचे ना उठ त्रास रहेगा
क्या हम इसके अंदर घुस
the roots go up for miles bro here. Okay, so these are very long. Okay, the upper layer of the soil gets washed away all the time, due to which the nutrition will not stay, so the roots have to go more deeply in order to what do you call, extract the nutrition, right, for that to grow. That's it. That's Kandlavana. There's nothing new. To see this, people come from so many different places. For us, it's not new. So, this is our Ajja. Wrong timing रे पहाड़ पड़ गया रे shit.